Did you miss me? Did you miss him? Did you miss your parents? Did you miss them? Did you miss her? I'll kick your ass, bastard. Don't be pussy, don't be nosy. That's crazy. I don't believe you. Watch out. It doesn't matter. What's your nationality? What's your job? What do you do? Where do you work? What's your name? What's your address? What's your telephone number? Where do you live? Where do you work? I want to achieve my dreams. I want my dreams to come true. It's not your business. I no longer smoke. I'm gonna play football. I'm gonna watch TV. I'm gonna meet my friend. I'm gonna go to university. I wanna buy a new book. I wanna talk to you. I wanna go with you. I wanna be with you. I'm okay. Could I ask you a question? Could I keep talking with you? Could I keep in touch with you? Could I know more about you? I'm okay. Could I ask you a question? Could I keep talking with you? If I were you, I would do it. If I were you, I would watch TV. If I were you, I would go to the doctor. If I were you, I would travel. If I were you, I would do it. If I were you, I would watch TV. I can do my homework. He can play football. We can go to a club. They can do it. I can do my homework. He can play football. Make yourself at home. Never say that again. Never do that again. Never insult me anymore. Never raise your voice in front of me. There's nowhere to go. Why are you mad at me? Why are you mad at me? Don't be rush. Don't be rush. There's nowhere to go. Why are you mad at me? I sent him a letter. He sent me a letter. I sent her a letter. I sent them letters. I sent you a letter. He sent us letters. Could I take you a picture? Could I get your number? Could I know who are you? Could I make a phone call? Could I ask you a question? Something's weird. It's hilarious. I'm comfortable here. I don't need this. Just keep calm. I'll call you later. I never choose wrong. I'll back to you. What did you do yesterday? What did you read yesterday? Where were you last week? Why did you meet her? Why did you meet her? It's impossible. It's a great idea. It's possible. It's wonderful. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite dish? What's your Facebook account? What's your WhatsApp number? I don't trust you. Keep it secret. Never mind. I'll do it. Could you do me a favor? What's your nationality? What's your education level? What's your address? Where are you going? Where is she going? Where are they going? Where is he going? What's your name? How are you? How is your family? I'm fine. What's your nationality? I want to ask you a question. Can I ask you a question? Could I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? I want to get you back. I want to get my money back. I want to get my memories back. I want you to get your mind back. I want to get my power back. Don't lie to me. Don't look at me. Don't play with me. Don't shout at me. Don't laugh at me. What do you eat? What do you say? What do you watch? What do you drink? What do you think? Why did it change your mind? Why were you there? Why did it come to here? Why did it do that? Why did it say that? Are you busy? Are you happy? Are you fine? Are you tired? Are you hungry? It was my fault. It was my idea. It was my mistake. Death isn't the end. I changed my mind. What's your favorite food? What are your dreams? What's your job? I got sick of this. I'm furious. Are you fucking crazy? Where are you fucking now? I'm broke. I'm mad at you. I have a headache. I'm delighted. I'm nervous. Did you miss me? Did you miss him? Did you miss your parents? Did you miss them? Did you miss her?